050 140 your phone number is new. Wait me on phrase 050 410 1201 and I say 0302 610 480. You can also reach out to us on our Facebook page, MDS Lancet Laboratories. And you can also follow us on Instagram as well at MDS Lancet. MDS Lancet, ISO certified lab. Yes, the optimum standard for medical laboratories. MDS Lancet, key to diagnostic excellence. The patron Malcolm Black Friday ni jamu den. Where a hot Black Friday deals. Yep, in this month of November. So shop at Malcolm for your hot Black Friday deals every day in this month of November. From supermarket to household to furniture to groceries to electronics. Just a bibia. There are thousands of these hot deals in any Malcolm shop nationwide. Malcolm Black Friday. It's simply unbeatable. Terms and conditions apply. Malcolm, where Ghana shops. Go saying can't you saying fuel stations need na safe so bet me about on your business. So person to fuel, person to oil, person service or car. Just come. And the service stations need na safe. Oba make sure so be observe the following protocols how do you now. Oba wash on side with soap and running water, especially right after handling money. And we're keeping minimum distance of 1.5 meters with other customers and our fuel attendants. I saw be cover on anyone no brown coffee and now sneezy we are not disposing off into a bin immediately. Now if you are not in a position to wash your hands, make sure so be use to alcohol based hand sanitizers them so bit me and make sure so be use to your electronic payment card, make sure the gold card say be bit me minimize the cash transactions. Or face mask and the manual see me here anytime be our best step into a public place be man. You need to put it on. Goyle. Yeah, the fella here, bro. But before you do that, once again, let me remind you, BM say, and they Vodafone, their boss say, Ghana phone, in the past few days, most of our Vodafone customers experience intermittent disruptions or network now we as a result of fiber cuts due to construction and vandalism to some of their infrastructure. A basa ya na hard dream. They say ama akofasa or how we they aba affect customers some hospitals, institutions more offer essential and critical services they are also being affected. Now or say and now Vodafone say and can't say technical team eguso amo badwuma den pa sebe no betimi resolve this problem we as quickly as possible na ni nyina mu no omo side na se kese ma Ghana fo nyina wa abotra amanya wo mo ho wa brasa how we amani musui na omo se yemfa sa akonya we se so na yemfa nkasa nkyere general public ni na se mo modnia se abribia no mo be report any suspected act of vandalism to their network infrastructure. Emma police sebe ya ebetimi ache sa ankrofo no. Wa bra ofre 18555 from any network bia 18555. Now I report na sa afo no. Omo ya mambofo na yentimi enchiche omu na yenye free. Why? Na assume enjoy. Abusia yemfa fla ento aso. Na make us say Mami boats at Nase. We try filler the emotion. I wrote,
Mike.
Akwaba.
Jerry, thank you.
Now, it's the same.
Jerry,
Hey, now, today is Thursday. Oh gosh. Let me see. Oh, unfortunately, we don't even have that much time. But let's do that. Let's try and squeeze some few calls in here. So, guys,
Jerry,
you can call us.
You announce the call. Which do you like? Light soup or granite soup?
Light soup or granite soup.
Which one is your favorite?
Light soup will go for me.
I know you
light
too.
soup.
You know Ghanaians like
I just had one this afternoon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, goat light soup.
But you know it's the simplest soup you can make. Roger, so anyone who calls us in 30 seconds, tell us how to prepare light soup.
Huh? That's what you wanted to do. Okay, guys, give us that code now. 0302 216561 0302 216562. So you call us, you tell us how to prepare light soup. Hey.
How do you prepare yours?
Me?
Yes.
The one I took this afternoon.
You didn't prepare.
I didn't prepare it myself. Hello. Yeah, hello. Oh, sorry. We've lost that. Let's try one more time. Hello, good evening. Too bad. All right, so let's do it again and see if it will work this time around. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, what's your name?
Victoria.
Okay, Vic. No, Vic. No, go on. Vic, tell us, how do you prepare your life?
Oh, you take onion. And you take garden eggs. Then you get your tomatoes.
Onion, garden eggs, tomatoes, and then what?
And your fish.
And your fish, okay. And then your soup is done, yeah?
No.
So what do you do?
I want to prepare. First, you wash your hands.
Vic, how do you prepare it?
First, you do what?
You wash your hands with soap and water. Then you boil your onion, garden eggs, and potatoes. Then you put it on the fire. The first time you close it. When it is finished boiling, you stir. Then you blend it. Then you use your sham, the chapel. You move it. Then you put the fish inside. You move the fish. You wash the.
Okay, your fish light soup will be very nice. We appreciate your time. Yeah. Let's move on and pick the next call. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Yes, boss. What's your name?
My name is Prosper.
Okay, Prosper. So, in 30 seconds, how do you prepare your light soup?
My light soup?
Yes.
I will just take my bowl. I will take my fish. And I will just put my onion and my tomatoes, my pepper, and I'll put it inside. And I will just put water.
You add
on
water.
It.
Yeah, you
yes,
add
please.
water. That's it. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice.
People know how to prepare.
People know how to prepare light soup. Charlie, this one. if okay, I won't say it. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Boss, what's your name?
My name is David.
Okay, David. Tell us, how do you prepare your light soup?
Okay, thank you. First of all, I'll get my garden eggs and then pepper. Then I'll put it on fire. After that, I'll get my onion and spice it. And I'll gather all them into my silver. And I'll put small water in it so that I will firstly steam it.
Like sort of seasoning it, yeah?
Yes, sir. Then after that, I'll grind the garden eggs and the pepper and I'll get my small tomatoes.
Okay, it's okay.
Thanks for gathering.
It's okay.
Thanks for gathering.
Thank you for gathering all of them. See, this one, if you are constipating and you take it, you'll be fine. Hello.
Hello, Jelilala.
Yeah, Sokolala.
Jelilala.
Okay, so tell us, how do you prepare your light soup?
First of all, I will find my fish.
You find your fish.
Yes.
Find the fish from where?
So would you
Beef.
would you go to the Volta River or go to the sea to find it?
Anyway, market.
Okay, you go on.
My beef and my onion, garden, tomatoes, and prekese.
Ish.
Yes.
Okay.
And my keep.
Your what?
Keep.
Keep.
Maggie.
You mean Q spices? Okay, yo.
And then I'll find Chaku.
You find Chaku?
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay.
People are finding things on Jerry.
Is it? Or I don't know if you can't have a light soup without garden eggs. Is it possible? Because it looks like everyone is saying the same, like they all saying the same.
Having pepper light soup.
Yeah,
yes,
you can do that like pepper with some small amount of tomatoes here.
You see, the garden eggs it helps with your tummy. You know, some people don't have very good stomach, so when you add the garden eggs,
okay,
yes,
all right. Let's make our last call. Oh, hello.
Yeah, Jerry.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
What's your name?
My name is Ezekiel.
Ezekiel?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you prepare light soup?
Okay. First of all, eat your onion, your pepper, garden eggs, then you...
Garden eggs is a must.
Then you blend all of them. Blend all, then you steam your fish. After steaming your fish, then you bring all of them together. Bring all of them together.
Okay.
You boil it. After that, you cut your gobi inside.
Okay. Thank you for the Kobe, Thank you for the Kobe. Let's end it on the Kobe note. Wow.
It's been fun and it's been exciting.
Light soup.
Yes.
Oh,
then
man.
We'll meet tomorrow, right?
Sure.
Right?
Definitely.
Okay, so
definitely.
my name is Mame Boatema, the Fantidor president for the
Sharp. Thank you.
1, 2. Okay,
for coming over. So that was Mami Boat. And your fact credits not MIA, your proud sponsors. Vodafone 7 can't show says we use Vodafone cash now. They send this come be of Vodafone cash swallow. You enjoy here free, no charges. Be Samsung now use Vodafone cash now. They send this come be or any other network be as well. Still they free. You know what I'm saying? So why don't you jump onto Vodafone? Say be able to use Vodafone cash. No one send the cash for free. Just dial *110# to send cash for free. Ready? As they do farmer Woodin. If I try Woodin, J2 promo negusu Coswo. Chale gift air Coswo Woodin shops I don't know across the country. So they are calling a new design. If I try more joining on Facebook now, I'm rocking my Woodin. You know what I'm saying? They show me I know be me Chale your share they be Woodin.
Start saying.
What I say? Woodin and show me no they shade the
Artist of the year.
Woodin Panama palm the long sleeves and a shemis and Joe a tija rough. It's also bet me acquire Woodin shop BM. You know what I'm saying? Now I call Joe there, and because of the promo now cost you know, I check the best Gina the account. Woodin the creator. All right. That's where I say bet me a kasaka crab 10 years the day kwa.
Pneumatic we had to do that,
Eba, King Kiba, boys take a samba de deba, flavor.
Let's go.
Eba, King Kiba, boys take a samba de deba, open flavor.
And shouts going out to you, my friend. Yeah, shouts going out to you, my good friend Janet in New York City. I'll say yes. I'm truly grateful and thankful to God for bringing you into my life. Happy Thanksgiving. Yo, and then now on the Thanksgiving note, you know,
For you,
America for Nina. Happy Thanksgiving. Preocupe why? Not taking who not in America.
Just said
Yegeba. Boys in Casaba de Flavor. Yeah. And the happy birthday do belated Enkoma Elder Bernard Osei Owusu. This one is coming from Nana Kwame in Hanover, Germany. Wishing you a happy birthday and God's blessings. Greetings, Jerry. I'm enjoying the show. Shouts going out to you. My godfather, Manuel Photography. And to all Royal Diadem customers. Tell them that they should keep patronizing my beautiful footwears. And to you, Brad Jerry, as well. Yes, Royal Diadem. And easy. Pabwa de Mami Pa Shemisa Nasi Tijasa. Made in Ghana, Papa. Do ya Muntobi. Mubet me check out on Instagram. Royal Diadem Footwear. Come on, pa. I was saying, phone seat now. Yama Quina and you may know see a Cassiabo and Twasso. Yes. It's check out time already. Time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6. As I can say, come out, any will say on here tonight. Free no me and some bring me Pim Sabri. Yami Adom no the Ochina Chaya. If you know me and some bring me best, I know where she be. Adom 106.3 FM. As they don't come out here, production team, Papa Bills, African, to Jamestown, J. Cole, to Prince. If you come on and I say, I'm for J. Kwame Obo dear, and I feel so mommy boat, so they fill our brain. I will share friend me, Jerry Justice. As always, assembly about Cope. Ushia Unia, Chiano. Nestre Treno. It's an serious Simo. Nipa and Seshi. Thanks so much for your time with us. And do have a great evening. We out of here.
Why did I have to go away to realize how precious you mean to me? I guess it's true when I say you never know what you've got.
For Sevana Yan African printer, BBN Hosawa Spotia Broso, and I won't shed and resi, and can cast a washer with Dean, one to my demo for a free and necopim November ye, with Dean or African printer won't need one grokra, Emma watcha dear strong kubi, and one is a water with Dean 8 years, and Ania Brosa, a free and stores a hoodwa ye si honu, ye betcha with 2 years free, Annie, G with 2, not G with Dean, 020-473-8113 and I say 020-300-7222. Na yen trewo baby a yen stores ahodo no ben wo. Na mom kai say en hihye kakra wo ho.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was me mobile money. See me with our keska. So charges some 380 cedis. What send this can kwa charges no. Wait there cement 10 bags so. Me niati. So we be move work of Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. I say me network need there. Tie. What send this ka was our network no so no. Yet what send this ka free with network no so akwa network for no. And no so yet na mum tie asem dead pa. What send this ka with Vodafone cash swap. Are free? What's send this free? Vodafone cash. I got network BR swap. And also you free. Masa into work at rem. What that's so you then was sour network and also move bra Vodafone cash says hey masa you chip not to ball musi I know say dear. What's send this Vodafone cash so I got network BR swap. Are you free? Send this do BR and prend do BR con network BR so free. Dial *110# says in the send this.
The future is exciting. Ready?